Rebels, what's good? Rebels, what's up? I got another review on some mids though, bruh. I'm not trying to be rude, I just gotta let you know, but these mid Jordan 1s, it's the way to go. Especially if you can't get your hands on an OG high. They always go by. I'm just saying, I look at my eye and the mids, they're soaring. Oh my. Rebels, you already know what time it is, man. Video up. Let's get to it. Family, what's good? Rebels, what's up? It's your boy CJ McGill back with another video for you today. Rebels, listen, let's get the formalities out the way, man. You guys already know what's up. First off, man, major shout out to all the new subscribers to the channel, guys. Welcome to Rebel Gang. You are now a part of the family. So with that being said, Rebels, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you like and comment on some of the other videos to make sure that you are caught up on everything that we have going on over here, okay? Also, what you want to do, guys, is make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MacTheRebel. For Twitter, just put an underscore at the end of the name, man. So, Rebels, guys, what's up, man? It's been a good day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's been a really good day over here. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, man. I keep picking up Jordan 1 mids. I keep picking up mids. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. Because they're fire. All right, now I get it. OG highs, man. We all love the OG 1 highs. They are the standard for the sneaker world. I get it. Trust me, I know. But the mids are coming, guys. They are growing. They are looking better and better. And of course, based on the title, based on the description, guys, you already know what we're doing a review on today. Not even gonna lie to you guys. Walked into, of course, one of my favorite stores. Not gonna say the name because they're not sponsoring me, but when they do, you never know. So, guys, walked into the store, man, saw these just sitting on the counter, and I'm like, now I know out of all the Jordan mids that have come out, this has definitely been one of the more popular ones. So I'm thinking to myself, there's no way these are in here sitting. So they were. I was able to pick up a couple of pairs to bring a review to you guys. And today, y'all see that box opening up. Ooh, fresh out the box, man. Guys, we are doing a review today on the Jordan 1 mid in its Beetroot colorway. Let's get into it. Well, I guess there really isn't no story behind them. So, all right, Rebels, now that we're back, you already know what we're talking about, man. Guys, you checked out the B-roll. You read the title, you read the description, you've seen that thumbnail. Guys, we are talking about the Jordan 1 mid in its Beetroot colorway. All right, getting a good little thumbnail in right there. So, guys, let me tell you something, man. I have to be honest. The mids are growing on me, guys. The mids are solid, man. Like, I can't lie, y'all. I really can't. This has to be one of the cleanest mids I think I've ever seen. And if you check out the price on StockX, if you're a reseller out there, the shoe retails at $125, and right now it's going on StockX, I think, for like $190, anywhere from $190 to like $250. All right, Rebels. First off, guys, the one thing you are going to notice about this shoe is the color blocking, okay? So if you guys can see that blocking right there, guys, it is really nice, okay? Now, the more popular color blockings that we're used to seeing, like mochas, royal toes, court purples, things like that, they always have a darker toe, a lighter middle panel, and a darker back, okay? And this mid right here captures all three of those. The only difference is it's a mid. If this was an OG high, like a women's OG high exclusive or something like that, this shoe would be 350 bucks right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it is that clean. Materials on it are A1. As you guys can see right here, you guys check out that toe box right there. Really well done, man. Nice, really clean. Leather on that thing. Middle panel is really nice, well done. All right, and the cool thing about the dark Beetroot, guys, is that it does come with all these trinkets that are in the laces. So right there at the bottom, of course, it does say women, for it being a women's exclusive. Above that, you have the traditional Jordan logo, then you have the Jordan Wings logo, and then you have a Jordan charm that hangs from the tongue. If you are able to get your hands on this shoe, I definitely say go for it, man. There is nothing wrong with this mid. I mean, it's really, really clean. And we've already seen how mids are taking off. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys check out my Jordan 1 mid band review, as well as my gold, metallic gold mid review as well, guys. I'm going to link both of those up top on your screen, so that way you can click on it, watch it if you like, okay? But guys, really, really well done shoe, okay? So one thing you're going to notice, man, it is just like an OG high with regards to the quality that we're used to seeing, with the exception, I mean, now some of the OG highs are coming with a much deeper tumble leather, but this one does not have that. But this is still really good quality. Jordan, y'all really doing it for the women, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I commend it. I mean, you guys, we got these, the silver toes are coming out, we had the lucky greens that dropped, women's exclusive also. Keep killing it. All right, so guys, review, we already have that dark burgundy toe box right there, like so. Black encompassing that, black, white, and dark beetroot burgundy encompassing the upper of the entire shoe. So we do have a blue Jumpman logo right here on the tongue, okay? A traditional black Jordan wings logo right here on the side. And we do, like I said, do have all those gold trinkets that are, they are definitely removable. So it looks like you do have to unlace the entire shoe in order to take them out, but they are removable. It looks like you can adjust them any type of way you want to as well, okay? Traditional Jordan bottom like we're used to seeing, guys. So nothing, you know, crazy there. Just an overall clean shoe. The reason why I'm raving so much about this shoe, guys, is because of its color blocking and because it is just really well done. It's a really well put together shoe. This is the pair like so, guys. All right, so make sure that you definitely get your hands on these. Really well done shoe. You will not regret purchasing these, okay? Also, the box comes in, most of the women's exclusive Jordans are coming in the white box or the black box, unless it's a women's OG, unless it's an OG high that comes in the black and red or the red and black box, okay? So this is the box that comes with the Beetroot 1 mids. Label does read Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, black, dark, beetroot, and white. That is that, guys. Paper on the inside is that white 23 paper right here, and that's mainly it, Rebels. Oh, we do have Jordan logos all over the box, guys. So we do have Jordan up top, we have 23 right there on the side, we have the tag right there also, and we also have that other Jordan 1 label, I mean that other Jordan logo as well, okay? Black, dark, beetroot, and white. Size, and this is a size 9 in women, size 7.5 in men. But yeah, Rebels, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what you guys think about the, oh, hold up. Okay, so we do got a little bit of a difference here. Okay, so let me backtrack a little bit, guys. So on the right shoe, we have 1985 as one of the trinkets right here in the middle. Okay, so we have 1985 here, and then we have the Jordan wing logo right here on this one, okay? That's really dope, man. Jordan, just keep killing it, bro. Keep killing it. I'm making sure I'm not missing any other differences. Both of them have the hang charms on them. This is really fire. I'm gonna tell you guys this too. Like I said, if you make this an OG high, I mean, include the trinkets, maybe not include the trinkets, but if this was an OG high, 350, easy. Right now, 350 for this shoe. It wouldn't even be close. It would be 350 bucks, any size. GS would, you already know how grade school shoes go for Jordan 1. So, but yeah, Rebels, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what you think about the Beetroot ones. Leave some comments below for me, all right? And then let's get a discussion going, guys. So this has been a review, Rebels, of the Jordan 1 Beetroot. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let's get a discussion going because I would love to talk about these some more. And with that being said, Rebels, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, make sure you comment on this video, like and comment on some of the other videos that we have on the Rebel Gang channel as well, so you guys are caught up and you know exactly what's going on. With that being said, guys, my name is CJ McGill, aka Matt the Rebel, aka CJ Rebel, checking out with another video. Rebels, I'll see you in the next one. We out. Peace.